Welcome to today's video on quantum jumping and the law of attraction, where we will explore the fascinating concept of navigating parallel dimensions to manifest our desires. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts and beliefs create our reality. But what if we could tap into different dimensions and access alternate versions of ourselves where our desires are already manifested? This is where quantum jumping comes in. In this video, we will dive into the concept of quantum jumping, understand its connection to the law of attraction, and explore techniques to navigate parallel dimensions for manifestation. Understanding quantum jumping. Quantum jumping is based on the idea that there are infinite parallel dimensions existing simultaneously alongside our own. Each dimension represents a different version of reality, where different choices and outcomes exist. Quantum jumping suggests that we can consciously navigate these dimensions and tap into the versions of ourselves that have already achieved our desired outcomes. By aligning our energy with those versions, we can accelerate our manifestations and bring them into our current reality. Connecting quantum jumping with the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and we attract into our lives what we focus on and believe in. Quantum jumping complements the law of attraction by providing a framework to access different versions of ourselves and align our energy with the desired outcomes. By shifting our focus and belief systems to match the version of ourselves in a parallel dimension where our desires are already manifested, we can accelerate the manifestation process and bring those experiences into our current reality. Techniques for navigating parallel dimensions. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for navigating parallel dimensions. Close your eyes and vividly imagine the version of yourself in a parallel dimension where your desires have already manifested. See the details, feel the emotions, and immerse yourself in that reality. By consistently visualizing this version of yourself, you align your energy and attract similar experiences. Emotional alignment. Emotions play a crucial role in quantum jumping. Connect with the positive emotions associated with your desires already being fulfilled. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it has already happened. Embrace those emotions and let them guide your energy towards the parallel dimension where your desires are a reality. Meditation. Meditation is a powerful practice for accessing higher states of consciousness and connecting with different dimensions. Through meditation, you can quiet your mind, release resistance, and open yourself up to the infinite possibilities of the quantum field. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and allow your body and mind to relax. As you enter a state of deep relaxation, visualize yourself stepping into a portal that leads to the parallel dimension where your desires are already manifested. Feel the energy and vibrations of that dimension as you explore and interact with the version of yourself who has already achieved what you desire. Allow yourself to experience the emotions, sensations, and insights that arise during this meditation. Affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind and align your beliefs with your desired outcomes. Create affirmations that reflect the version of yourself in the parallel dimension where your desires have already manifested. Repeat these affirmations daily, with conviction and belief, to shift your energy and attract experiences that align with them. Journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and manifestation. Write about the version of yourself in the parallel dimension where your desires are fulfilled. Describe the experiences, achievements, and emotions you would be experiencing in that reality. By putting your desires into words, you reinforce your intention and create a stronger connection to that parallel dimension. Letting go. While it's important to visualize and align with the version of yourself in the parallel dimension, it's equally important to let go of attachment and surrender to the process. Release any feelings of desperation, doubt, or impatience. Trust that the universe is orchestrating the perfect timing for your manifestations. By surrendering and having faith, you allow the quantum field to work its magic and bring your desires into your current reality. Taking inspired action. Quantum jumping is not about simply wishing for your desires to manifest without taking any action. It's about aligning your energy and beliefs with the parallel version of yourself who has already achieved what you desire. From that aligned state, take inspired action that is in harmony with your desires. Follow your intuition and seize opportunities that come your way. The combination of aligned energy and inspired action propels you towards your desired outcomes. In conclusion, quantum jumping is a powerful technique that allows us to navigate parallel dimensions and access versions of ourselves where our desires are already manifested. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with those versions, We accelerate the manifestation process and bring our desired experiences into our current reality.